Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to place free order on AliExpress. I personally place an order for free and I have included proof to show you it's real. If you want to learn how to do the same, make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Friends, I placed this order for free in the UK and now my order status is to shipped. If you also want to place a similar order, follow these steps. First, clear the data of your AliExpress. Then open the AliExpress app and create a new account. Note, this offer is only available for new account. If you have old account, this offer is not available. Once AliExpress account complete, you can see homepage free gift product. You can see here free with any purchase. Friend, this is free item. You can select any product. I will select this item because I need this product. Click on pick. Now this product is add to cart. Last step, select any additional product. We will not purchase this, only we will add to cart. I will add to cart. Click on checkout. Enter your delivery address. I enter his address. Click on place order. Friend, you can see my order successful unpaid. Now we will go back my account. You can see here one product is 0.85 and second product is free. Now we will pay this. Click on free gift and pay now. Friends, you can see my order successful paid without any payment. You can see my order is now to ship status. Friend, if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon button.